Hey everyone, Andres for the Newsreel here, and I wanted to do a bit of a rant video because I am still waiting for my repaired unit of my HTC U11 that unfortunately had a mishap back in April, early April. That's terrible because all I got is this box that reminds me that I had the phone, and it's cost a pretty penny because this is the 120 gigabyte model, and I still don't have my phone. The latest updates that the HTC repair tracking service show, I'll post here on the screen there, but that in of it itself is not accurate because I actually got the phone. Well, I actually opened the ticket early April, around April 7th, April 9th, and the phone was confirmed received by the warehouse because I had delivery confirmation with signature on April 13th. It wasn't touched until maybe mid-May, and then the system says that it's in repair as of May 18th. Well, we're reaching the end of July. How hard is it to replace a glass panel on a phone? Now, if you guys are familiar with my channel, or especially for those of you that subscribe to my channel, would know that I've actually cracked my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge before, and I shared my thoughts on the experience there, which I'll leave a link to in the video at the end of this one and in the video description down below, because that was a painful process. I actually went to the Samsung repair center. There's one of three at the time, and one of them was in Koreatown, Los Angeles. The other two were in the East Coast, and I did go deal that way. But I did crack it a second time, and when I did so, I shipped it to Samsung so I could test to see how long that would take. The turnaround time was about 1 month to get it over there and then have it repaired, then ship it back. Shipping times all factored into it. This, however, we're talking about all of April, May, June, July, and I'm going to enter August. So in the meanwhile, I had to make do with the Google Pixel 2. For those of you that know, I wasn't even too pleased having the HTC U11. It was the flagship that I compromised with for the year 2017 because it's so disappointing for flagships that year. And this year is more of the same. I really wanted to go for the HTC U12 Plus, but unfortunately, with these phones being I rated for water resistance, I don't trust just anywhere to just go get them repaired, because if they don't seal it properly and I try to go get a warranty repair on my phone, they're going to say the warranty is voided because you had a third party tamper with it. So I wanted to avoid dealing with those extra headaches, and that's the one downside about dealing with phones that are from, I guess, more obscure companies. I don't want to say that HTC is obscure because it's a huge telephone company. It's in the name. But the thing is, when we're only dealing with them via the internet, basically, because they don't have a physical store, it becomes a lot more difficult to have that kind of customer support. So I'm probably not alone in this repair experience. Maybe you had some terrible repair experiences of your own. I'm not really curious to know how it goes for those of you that tried the BlackBerry Key 1 and the panel fell off. Thank God that for the CDMA version that we have in the office, that has not happened. But I am concerned what's going to happen when it does occur, and then dealing with warranty issue repairs then. Now, again, to the credit of HTC, their customer service has been awesome. They've been doing their best to try to soften the blow for not having my phone with me, but it's still stressful to me that I spent so much money and I still don't have my phone, and I really miss the recording capabilities of the U11 versus of the Pixel 2. Pixel 2's got fantastic cameras. My number one complaint though is audio. We're only recording in mono. Oh my goodness, what a headache. And honestly, the microphones on this thing, they pick up a lot less sound than the one on the U11. I found that very interesting because some videos that I recorded on this, the audio sounds very muted. So I don't know if it's because something intruded the microphones. I hope not, or if it's some common issue among the phones. I don't know. It's just spitballing here and speculating. But I'll keep you guys posted to see how the rest of my experience goes. I hope to get my phone before the end of the year, but damn, that is a long time. If you guys want to share your repair experiences, please share below. And if you do have a Samsung and you're curious how much that might cost you, well, it cost me at least $225 the first time for a glass replacement on my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, and for the second time, $250. I don't know if it was because I sent it to the warehouse. I thought that'd be cheaper, but just letting you know, because the S line after that and the Note line is more expensive, and the ones from this year are more expensive than that. All right, well, anyway, guys, I'll keep you posted. And if you haven't yet participated, or you're not even aware that I'm doing a giveaway, I am doing a giveaway. So you want a chance at winning a Google Home Mini or a Google Chromecast, or even I just triggered Google. Or even some noise cancellation headphones by JBL, some sports active ones, then by all means, I'm going to leave a link to the video of that contest giveaway in the description down below, and also at the end of this video for you guys to check it out. It's a giveaway that's happening across all of my socials, and I'm excited to be doing this giveaway because my second book is on schedule to be published at the end of August. It's the second book in a series called The Many Misadventures of Enoch Bellagio. So you have no idea what I'm talking about. That's because, one, you haven't subscribed to stay in the know, and two, you haven't hit the bell so you can get a notification when these videos goes up, because you'll have other chances to be able to win. It's not just hosted here on my YouTube channel, it's hosted on my website, www.thenujo.info. Again, all the information, you can find it in the video description down below that links to the video that has more information. So I'm making it a bit of a treasure hunt for people, because you can increase your chances of being able to win one or more of the gifts. Every winner gets a copy of my first book, but only the first place winner gets a copy of both books. The first book that I released last year, Finding Love But Not Really, and the second book, There and Back Again, Not a Hobbit's Tale. So yeah, just really excited to share these novels with everybody. I know it's been a fun experience being able to write them for the most part, but at this point I'm getting ready to move on to book 3, which I want to schedule out for release summer of next year. So you've been missing out. Yeah, so anyway, that's that. Once again, like, share, and subscribe, stay in the know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.